Hey guys, Cyclone here. I know it's been a hot minute, but we are going to work on a new project today. Actually, let me go grab some pieces real quick. I've been working on my Iron Man gauntlet, but that's not done yet. Anyways, I have a bunch of pieces, such as this. From the lighter, they all have electric sparkers, and I kept this, and now it arcs. Actually, you want to see something cool? Yeah, I'm just like Zeus or something. I don't actually know what I'm saying, but to travel for an electric current to travel 1 millimeter, it requires 3,000 volts. So this is essentially a 3,000 volt stun gun. I'm gonna figure out how to actually make it into a gun. My brightest idea so far is put it back into here with the shocker thing hidden out of here, so I can just like and click the button. So I need to figure out which one of these triggers is the right one, and then put it back in. Okay, I found the right trigger. Now I need to get this back in there. So this is the way I've currently got it set up. I've got the wires going through the gas trigger just so I can test it before I line them through here. Okay. I have this working. Now I just need to put this wire through here, and I should have a functioning stun gun. Okay, so problem here is this wire is too short. So I have this silver beading wire. It holds the current pretty well, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and replace the wire with this. I'm just gonna cut a little bit off. I've got like maybe 2 inches here. And I'm just gonna connect it there, and then wrap it with what little electrical tape I have left. Because I can't exactly get it even, I'm gonna take this lighter and try and melt it to the wire. It smells like burnt stuff, but I did it. Tell me that doesn't look so cool. There's my arc. If you saw that flashing, that would scare you just a little bit, wouldn't it? Yeah, I think so. Well, thank you guys for joining me in this video. It's been pretty cool. You'll see, you would have seen a teaser to this if you follow me at my Instagram, at Cyclone Slayer, and you'll see the finished product there too. Follow me at Cyclone Slayer to see all of the I guess machines and things that I made before they actually come out on video. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe down below to join the storm. Get your merch at cyclonemerch.wixsite.com/tropicalstorm, and I will see you guys in the next video. Cyclone Slayer over and out.